Good morning, students. Welcome to New Era Global School. This is your Devi ma'am, EVS teacher. So today we will start our new chapter number 7, adaptations, how the plants survive. So everyone come to the page number 75. So before entering into this lesson, we will learn some learning objectives. So learning objectives means what are the topics we are going to cover in this chapter. So first we are going to learn what do you mean by the term habitat, what is adaptation, what are terrestrial animals, what are evergreen and deciduous forests or trees, what are aquatic plants. So these are the topics we are going to learn in this chapter. So let's begin the class today. So first, before entering into this topic, let us do one activity. Okay. So first thing is, come to the page number 74. Some of the topics were given, right? Read the clues and name the plants that we often find growing in this place. So we see the hibiscus. Now go to your garden. Now see there, where do the hibiscus live? And why the cactus not living in normal places? You know cactus, it will live only in the desert areas, right? Why it can survive in desert and not in the normal place? And why the hibiscus can survive in the normal land but not in the desert? Okay. And second activity, where do camels live? You know, camel live in the desert. So we can't able to live in desert, right? Why? Because desert, it is a hot temperature. We can't live there. But the camel can live there. How? How it is adapting itself in the desert? That is the second activity for you. And third one, where do the fish live? The fish live in the water. Why it can't live in the land? In water, how it is adapting itself? So that is the third activity. So you have to find this answer. Okay. Now let's begin the today's session. Okay, well, let me start our chapter. So first, what do you mean by the term habitat? Habitat means what? So the place where an organism lives in nature, it is called as an habitat. Okay, the place where an organism lives in nature is called as an habitat, right? So we are living in the earth, right? We can't live in the other planet. Why? Because here only in our earth planet we can get the water, air and the living essential condition. So this is our habitat. So we can't able to live in the other planet. Why? Because there in other planets we cannot get the essential conditions. So this is our habitat, right? So like that, the plants, they also have their habitat, right? So plants growing in different habitat, they have the different futures, right? How they are adapting to that futures. Adaptation means what? The futures that help a plant or an animal to survive in its natural surroundings. It is called as an adaptation. For example, if you take a camel, camel live only in the desert, not in the normal land. Why? Because it has a long padded feet. It has a big eyelashes. It has a hump on the backside, which it can able to survive without water. So these are all the special organs. These organs are adapting the camel to live in the desert. Okay, I am repeating again. What is an habitat and what is an adaptation? Okay, the place where an organism live. Naturally, it can live there. It is called as an habitat. Adaptation means in that place, how it is adjusting itself. What special features help them to adapt in that place. It is called as an adaptation. Okay. Then, what are the types of the habitat? Okay. So, there are two types of habitat are there. Okay, one is said to be the terrestrial and second one is called as an aquatic. Okay, so terrestrial means we can able to say plants also, we can able to say animals also. Okay, so the plants and animals which grow in the land like mountains, grassland, desert and forest. So they are called as an terrestrial animals. Animals which live on land. Plants and animals which live on land, they are called as an terrestrial plants. So aquatic means the plants and animals that grow in the water, either in the fresh water or in the salt water. Fresh water means lakes, pond, rivers, etc. And salt water means oceans, sea, etc. Okay. So how many types are there? There are two types, terrestrial and the aquatic animals. Terrestrial means the plants which grow in the land. They are called as terrestrial and plants. Aquatic means the plants which grow on water. It is called as an aquatic plants. Okay. So today IBL questions define the term habitat, and then second, what is adaptation, and third one, what are terrestrial animals, give example, and then next one, what are aquatic animals, give examples. So these are the today's IBL questions. Just go through it and tomorrow we will continue. Bye bye.